Hi everyone. The next topic is derivation and parse tree, and it is also called as a syntax tree. So, what is meant by derivation first? So, the process of generating a language from the given production rule. So, the grammar is actually consisting some set of production rules. So, the process of generating a language is nothing but a set of strings, no? So, from the production rules is called as a derivation. So that is how we can generate the language is nothing but so we can replace the non-terminals. So the non-terminals in the production rules can be replaced with the given production rules if more than one non-terminal exists in the given production rule. So we have obviously a doubt that which non-terminal should be replaced first. So based on this question, so the process of derivation is of two types. One is leftmost derivation, the second one is the rightmost derivation. Okay, so two kinds of derivations possible. First one is leftmost derivation, the second one is the rightmost derivation. So simply derivation is nothing but a process of generating language from the given production rules. So that is simply we can replace the non-terminals in the production rules. So let's go with an example. So let's given string is 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So the grammar is here the grammar is consisting of three production rules. So this one is A, this one is S, and A and B. So these are the production rules. So if we go with the leftmost derivation, so let's take a production rule S2 0S, this one, and here we have only one non-terminal, so we don't have any question here which one to replace. So that's why we can go directly with the replacement of this S, which is a non-terminal. So here S is nothing but a 1 AA. So that's why I replace S with 1 AA. Okay, if in this string we have a two non-terminals symbols here. So now we have a question which one we have to replace first. So as we are following LMD, leftmost derivation, so we have to replace the leftmost non-terminal. For example, left A. After 0 1 we have a so that we have to replace. So A can be replaced with 0 B. Okay, so we have to, by the end we have to get the string. So that's why based on the string I am replacing the non-terminal symbols here. So for A, if we specify 0B, the string 0 1 0 is covered here. Okay, so in this string, so we have a two non-terminals B and A. The leftmost is nothing but a B. So B can be replaced with 0 BB. B can be replaced with 0 BB. Okay, so by this 0 1 0 0 string can be covered. Okay, so again we have three non-terminal symbols here, B, B, A. So the leftmost is first B. We have to replace it with 1 1. Okay, and again we have another B, that is also can be replaced with 1, and at the end we have a non-terminal. A non-terminal, so only one non-terminal, so we directly replace the A by 0. A by 0. Okay, so we have to replace the leftmost non-terminal here, and finally we have to get the string. Okay, so what we did here, we replacing the non-terminal symbols, and we following the leftmost non-terminal symbol replacement. This is called as a leftmost derivation. Okay, in the same way we can go with the rightmost derivation. So the production rule S2 0S, we get it first, and after that for S, so we have to get the string at the end, right? So G, after 0 we have 1. Okay, so for that reason in place of S I can replace 1 AA. So 0 1 AA. Okay, here we have two non-terminals. In this we have to replace the rightmost A. Okay, so rightmost A I replaced it with 0. Okay, why? Because the rightmost bit of the string is 0. So you understand? 0. Okay, so in the string we have only one non-terminal symbol, so we have to replace it. Okay, so the string start with a 0, 1 and end with a 0. That is actually completed till now. Okay, in between, in place of a, what is the non-terminal we have to replace? So for that reason, after 0 1, what we have a 0. So in place of a, we have to go with a 0b. So 0b. So only one non-terminal. So b can be replaced with a 0bb, and leftmost non-terminal is b here. So b can be replaced with 1, and only one non-terminal symbol exists here. So b can be replaced with 1. Okay, hope you understand. So simply, so the problem consisting the string and production rules grammar. So if we follow the leftmost derivation, we have to replace the leftmost non-terminal symbols. If you follow rightmost derivation, you have to replace rightmost non-terminal symbols. Replace Along with the replacing non-terminal symbols, we have to get the string also. Okay, so derivation is nothing but a process of generating a language string by replacing the non-terminal symbols. It is of two types, leftmost derivation as well as rightmost derivation. If you replace the non-terminal symbols, remember that. So if you have more than one non-terminal only, you can go with these two ways. If you have only one non-terminal, no need to follow any rule. Okay, directly you can replace it. Okay, this is about a derivation.